What is up, spooky people? So we have a cool video today for you. We have a very special package we got in the mail from our friends over at Sled, and we wanted to open it up to kind of show you guys some of the products that they have, all the cool stuff, and we wanted to make sure we had a second to shout them out, because if you guys aren't buying this stuff, if this isn't a brand that you guys rep on a regular basis, what are you doing? Check this out. This is what we got. We're going to do a little bit of unboxing for you.
We don't know what's in here.
Yeah. This is all going to be a surprise to us, so when we open it with you, that's kind of how it's going to work. So, without further ado, bust it open. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Isn't that the bag that you wanted from...
It is. It matches my shirt, my favorite shirt that I always wear when we go do our Halloween hauls.
What does it say? Get in, loser. We're going Halloween shopping. This is awesome. They have t-shirts like you have, and is it... They have sweatshirts as well, or just t-shirts?
Just the t-shirts.
Okay, and now the bags are new this year, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Yeah, this is awesome.
The t-shirts were last year, I believe.
And you even wore it in our recent vlog when we went Halloween shopping. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's do it.
Let's go. There's a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, I'm gonna hand them to you.
Okay.
T-shirts.
Nice. All right, let's see this. Oh, I love this one. Check this out. Hearse Drivers Union. This is cool. Here, I gotta show you too.
That's really cool.
I love this.
Awesome.
That one is awesome. I love the design on it too. And then, this is the classic.
Oh, I love these.
Dead Inside.
I love it.
Look at that. That is cool. I love this design. It's because it's so clean. It's just like it's a simple, clean design. Love it.
Well, there's
a whole bunch of cool stuff. Okay. Should we do this last? Let's do this last. Keep going. Yeah, because I can go through all this. Okay.
There's their post.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Check them out, guys. We're going to link everything in the description as well, so you guys don't have to rush to write all this stuff down and put it all on the screen for you, and it will be in the description, so go check it out.
Now, these are one of my favorites, and Cody's going to be geeked.
See, now I'm a hat guy, so check this out. We got the Dead Inside hat, which I'm going to go ahead and throw this on right now, because this is awesome. All right. Got it on. Love it. And then what's the next one?
The hearse.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool.
Check this out. That is awesome. Look at that. I love this. Here, you can rock this one.
It just keeps going.
Keeps going?
Keeps going. Oh, we got some pins. The more, the Dead Inside.
Oh, wow. Check that out.
And then the hearse. Oh, the back of the card.
Yeah, the card on these are really cool.
We have these cups.
Yes.
Say that.
That's true. We have both of the, what are they called? Traveling mugs?
The tumblers.
Tumblers is what they're called. But they have this cool...
Which are amazing.
Yeah.
Get one.
They're the best. We use them every day.
And people give you weird looks. It's great. I take it to work at the hospital. It's awesome.
I was at the gym with it, and it had a big embalming fluid thing, and people were like, what are you drinking?
Oh, we got another pin.
Oh.
The Hearse Drivers Union.
I love that. Again, this is just such a cool logo and
if
design.
you guys don't know, also Sled sponsors a lot of hearse cruise-ins. So this is kind of the whole thing of their business.
Yeah. So if you guys are into spooky, weird, creepy stuff, make sure you're checking them out. What you got? This is like Christmas morning. This is like Halloween.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. This is amazing. Oh,
keychains.
There's the keychains.
Love it.
And now look, you can have your own purse because I just bought a new one. Because my other one broke, so I just bought a new one.
You have this on your keychain?
I do have that.
All right, so this is the Hearse Drivers Union. And then we've got the cool hearse keychain. And on the back it says Dead Sled. So you're repping the brand. I hope you can see that. I'll try to do this and edit and help you out a little bit. Awesome. Okay, that's it for the bag.
But this bag's mine. Just so you know.
You want to rock, paper, scissors for it?
Nope. It's mine.
That means no. That means you're not getting it. Oh, look, cool. So you got a patch in here.
That is cool. You can have that.
Yeah, that'll go.
That'll go
in my water bottle. Look at this. How awesome is this? totally representing. This is so cool. I love that. All right, here, let's do, here, you know what? Why don't I help you? You hold on to that. There's some more in there too. But,
Is there?
yeah. But you can work with me here. You can help me out. All right, this is an awesome sticker. I almost bought this sticker. I was just saying that I bought a bunch of the Dead Sled stickers from the Cleveland Curiosity Shop, and they're on my, you can actually see one on my guitar over there, on my laptop that I edit all the videos on. I have a bunch of stickers on there. And so now, this cool sticker.
I love that.
I love it. It is awesome. And
I
that's,
gotta get a hearse now.
I know, if we get a hearse, we can totally load up on all
It'd be
this
the
stuff.
Oddity Acres.
Like it.
Road trip.
Like this video.
Yeah.
Let us know if we need to get a hearse and drive it to all these events. It'll be like the Oddity Acres mobile. All right, cool. So these are some more like cool postcards.
Oh, that is really cool.
So we've got this one, which is awesome.
I just love their design.
I know. Well, that's what, it's so creative. Everything they do is awesome. There's nothing that they put out that I don't like. Every single thing they put out, I'm like, gotta have it. Gotta have it. Got this cool one. It's another one. The same as the last one. Very cool. I love this. This is like a window cling. I know you guys a lot have seen the ones that say baby on board. This one says body on board. This is going in my car tomorrow. When I leave for work, the first thing I'm doing is putting this in my window.
Are you sure? You
Yeah.
sure it's not going to mine?
Nope, I'm positive, Mrs. I get my bag.
Okay.
And check this one out, you guys. How cool is that? I love this stuff. This is incredible.
Look at these.
You guys, I love this. And Dead Sled, everybody, you guys are the best. This was the sweetest thing. You really didn't have to do this. You know, I really, really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. This is amazing. This is beyond amazing.
Unreal.
What you got?
Oh, this one's really, really, really cool.
Oh, that's awesome. Speaking of cool stickers.
I haven't seen that one.
I haven't seen this one either. I don't think I saw this one at the Hearst Fest. Look at this. That's awesome. Too cool.
Oh, and there's another.
Another Dead Inside. Awesome sticker. These will be going on the car.
I love this. Rot Wheels.
Rot Wheels. So
I
clever.
have seen that one before, but that's really cool.
I love it.
These are cool. 2 hearses.
I think so. This one is one I have on my
That's the one
guitar.
that you have.
Yeah. And I had this
I
one
like this
before
one.
too. I don't know what happened. Did I get rid of the? Oh, it was on my old computer.
Was it?
So now I get them back. All right, you got 2 more. Check these out, guys. Again, if you like anything you see here, which why wouldn't you? Link will be in the description. We're gonna plug everything in there so you guys can go straight over right now. As soon as you're done, click off of this, go onto the Dead Sled website and buy everything. Spend your paycheck, spend your husband and your girlfriend's paycheck, spend it all, and pick up some of these awesome products because they're the best. We'll be wearing them. You're gonna see us repping these things, you know. And we can't thank Dead Sled enough. You guys rock. We
It's
love you.
amazing.
We can't wait to see you guys at the next event. And
Yes, and if you guys ever see them at an event, go up and talk to them. They are great people.
yeah.
Amazing.
You got it.
Small mom shop.
Yeah. Yep.
It's
This
awesome.
is the small business at its finest, but I guess they're not so small anymore. They're killing it.
Yeah.
They're killing it. But as I said, represent these guys. They're the best. Thank you all again for watching. Make sure you tune in for our next vlog. We got some really fun stuff coming up as we're getting into the spooky season. Until next time, we will see you. I guess it wasn't an episode of Oddity Acres. I'm so used to doing the outro. But we'll see you next time on the next vlog. Stay spooky and stay scared. Happy Halloween.